I'm a digital marketer and new life promoter. If you are hearing me for the first time, I want to talk about one of the products of new life, which it is which is called new life aloe vera. So you may be asking, what are the functions of new life aloe vera? So I want to show you. Number one, I want us to talk about the facts. This is the picture or the image of the product. So the name of the product is aloe vera plus, made by New Life Company. So things that all the functions of this product, some of them include: this is delicious, revitalizing, and slightly carbonated drink. It does more than quench your thirst. And aloe vera plus contains the highest quality aloe vera gel known for its antioxidants. So these are some of the work that it does. The components, yes. So it is infused with black tea. It, it has a lot of function. This is a proof that it is. These are the ingredients they use to do it. So this is a simple description of the product. If you want to know more about it, this is. And another thing is I want us to talk about is the ingredients that they use to do it. When you look at it very well, you realize that it is having the ingredients: aloe vera, fructose, tea, citrus, flavor. They are there. So you can read it yourself. So if this is what your doctor prescribed for you, if you are looking for all these ingredients in your diet, then aloe vera is for you. Thank you. If you are a customer, just call me. Thank you. But let's go back to the main function. It refreshes and relaxes. It soothes the digestive system and stress-induced digestive discomfort. So these are some of the work that is to do. So yeah, these are the more explanations of it. You can read it and so the key benefit is suits the digestive system and stress-induced digestive discomfort. The details, delicious natural flavor. These are the functions. The usage, you will drink 50 to 100 millimeters per day. These statements have not been evaluated by Food and Drug Authority. This product is not intended to diagnose, treat, or prevent any disease. Thank you. So